What's up everybody, it's Johan here from Trading Walk. I want to show you why I like FX Master Codes so much, because you don't need to trade just the 1 minute chart. It works on all time frames. We have here the 50-minute chart, and basically you can trade this using Forex as well, and using the same rules as previously. We want to use binary options or Forex. So if we use binary options, we want to choose an option with expiration 3 times the time frame we trade. So for a 1 minute chart, we want to choose a binary option with 3 times 1, and that's 3 minutes from the signal, and basically the formula is 3 times the time frame. So using the 50-minute chart, we want to close our trade after 45 minutes. So you can see here the sell signal down here, and we have 1, 2, 3. This would be a win because we close below this level, and you have this signal here. So 1, 2, 3. This looks like a break even. You have a buy signal here, and 1, 2, 3, a clear win. A buy signal here, so 1, 2, 3, also a win. You have this signal here, 1, 2, 3. This would possibly be a loss. And you have this buy signal here, 1, 2, 3, also a win. And now we have a signal that we're in right now, and I'm confident that this will turn out a winner as well. So you see that it doesn't matter what time frame you trade. I recommend, and I get best results from the 1 minute chart, but the 5 minute charts work just as well. And you can see here on the 50-minute chart, these signals are very accurate on the 50-minute chart as well. Hope this helps. Good luck trading. To your success.